chamber basically. So we want to absorb any of that sound that's back here. So we're already accounting for sound being in here. We can't block any of this stuff off. All of this needs to be open and accessible outside of the airplane. So it's going to be loud back here. It's inherently loud because it is open to the outside and it's a big chamber. So here we want open cell to catch the sound.
Okay,
Yep.
makes sense. This is open cell.
This is open cell. Yeah, you can see the difference. It's actually like a sponge versus something that's like almost like a rubber mat. So once again, closed cell is better at keeping sound out. Open cell is better at absorbing sound.
Okay.
So that's our phone lesson.
Yeah, we use reamers here a lot more than we use drill bits, just because the holes line up and everything. You don't need to get a full drill bit out, and the reamers just create such a nice, clean, straight, fully deburred hole versus a drill bit.
So it's not pulling me down in like a drill bit would do.
It's not pulling you down in. It's making a nice round hole that's you don't have to deburr, or at least as much as a drill bit would. So it's just really a great thing. If people are building these things, we tell them get reamers because you'll use reamers more than drill bits on these things. A lot of people will go out and they'll buy a bunch of number 30 drills, and yeah, good to have some, but the reamers are actually what we use here.
I use them a lot.
Way more than
we use them a lot.
Yep, they work really nice.
We good?
All set.
Have that, my man.
I haven't done this in a while. Finito. I'm right here.
No, it's in a good spot. Spar carry through here.
Hey friend, thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. We appreciate it very much. We'd also appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel so we can grow this out and make some more content like this for you to enjoy in the future. Thanks for watching.